In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install FSPY for Blender. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and go to Google. Now, once we're inside Google, type in FSPY Blender. And now we'll be taken to Google search results. So inside here, we want to click onto the second result from github.com. It's called Stuffmatic/FSPY Blender. So go ahead and click onto that link. Now, once we're here over at GitHub, scroll down and look for where it says getting started. And then number one, download the add-on. So where it says download the latest version, go ahead and click onto that, and that's going to start downloading. Oh, sorry, it's going to take you to the download page. And then under where it says assets, it is FSPY Blender 1.0.3.zip timer recording. So go ahead and click onto that. Now that's going to download to your PC. Once it's done, go ahead and open up your download folder. So I'm going to go ahead and click on show in folder. So here it is here. So now what I'm going to do to make life easier, I'm just going to drag this onto my desktop like so. So I'm going to click out of my downloads. From here, I want to right click the FSPY Blender zip file and then click on extract all. And now I'm going to extract it to my desktop just to make it easy. So here it is here. So now this is the file extracted to my desktop. And then from here, we need to go ahead and find and locate the Blender file location. So the easiest way to do this is to open up Steam. Then from here, go ahead and click onto the library tab and then search up a Blender. Here it is here. And then right click onto it, click onto where it says manage. And then from here, go ahead and click on where it says browse local files. Now minimize the game. Then from here, go ahead and open up the FSPY Blender. And then we want to copy this file, so Control C to copy it. Now from here, we want to go ahead and click onto 4.3. Then click onto scripts here. And then we need to find add-on core. Here it is here. Click on add-on core. Now from here, we just want to simply paste in that FSPY add-on. So I'm just going to maximize this. I'm going to do Control V. Here it is here. So now this is inside of the Blender files, inside scripts and add-ons. Now after that, you're pretty much good to go. So I'm just going to exit out of these windows. Now I'm going to head back into Steam. So now from here, I'm going to launch up a Blender. So I'm going to click on launch to open up. Now from here, I'm just going to show you. So what I'm going to do is click onto edit, then click onto preferences here. Now inside preferences in Blender. Now from here, we want to click onto add-ons. And now if you go ahead and see an add-on called import FSPY project, go ahead and click onto it. It has been, your FSPY for Blender has been installed properly. And now another way to check that it's working properly is to exit out of that, click onto file. And then from here, if we click onto import, we've got FSPY at the bottom of that list there.